Now, before we start, we should talk about prediction. Prediction kind of means guessing the future. I say guessing because really we can't control many things about the future. Example, the weather. You can't control the weather. So if you talk about tomorrow's weather, you have to guess, and that's called a prediction. Also, tonight's game, maybe soccer, hockey, football, whatever. Do you know which team will win? No. So you have to guess. That's called a prediction. Now, first, let's talk about using will. Now, will is commonly used for predictions. We use will when we base our prediction on an opinion or a feeling. Okay, so our prediction about the future comes from our opinion or our feeling. Okay, so some examples from the website. I don't think it will rain tomorrow. I don't think. This is my feeling. This is my opinion. So I used will. Another example, I'm sure you will have a great time. I'm sure. This is my feeling. This is my opinion. And another example, I believe my team will win tomorrow. I believe. This is my feeling. This is my opinion. Okay? Now, also, we use will in longer sentences. So on the website, you can see number 3, when we use time clauses or conditional clauses. Well, what does that mean? Well, that means when you say something like when. Okay, so when, example from the website, when you get home, present simple. Okay, we studied this in intermediate. But the next part we use, will you make dinner? When you get home, will you make dinner? Another example is with conditional clauses, if. So, if he gets, present simple, if he gets stuck in traffic, now the next part we should use will. He will probably call. Okay, now let's talk about be going to. Now, be going to is also used for predictions, but we don't use be going to talk about our feelings, our opinions. We use be going to when you can see the future because of something now. You have present evidence, you have present information, and this information kind of gives you the ability to see the future. Now, the best example is weather. If you look at the sky and the clouds are really, really dark, well, you are looking now, information now, dark clouds. And what does this tell you about the future? Rain. So if you want to say, yeah, future rain, because you are looking now at the clouds, it's dark, you would say, it's going to rain. All right? Now, another example is from the website. Imagine you are in a taxi, and the taxi driver is just driving crazy, so fast and so crazy. Well, this information now tells us that, yeah, maybe in the future, crash. So, please, slow down, taxi driver, slow down. You are going to kill me. You're going to kill us. Right? I'm talking about kill me because I see this in the future, and I see this in the future because now I can see you are driving crazily. Now, please understand that sometimes will is okay and sometimes be going to is okay. for predictions, but they have a different focus. Remember, will is for your opinion and your feeling, and be going to is, well, we have present information, evidence, but sometimes both are okay. So I'll give you some examples. We have a plant on, I don't know, on the desk, and the plant is super dry and brown. It's not green, just a little green, but mostly brown. Okay, so look at the plant now. The plant is sick, has no water, so it's going to die. Okay, so that's okay, it's going to die because of the information now. But also, die could just be my feeling about the plant, okay? Or my opinion about the plant. Yeah, it will die. That's my opinion. So both are okay, but they have a different focus. Sometimes both are okay. Just remember that, you know, they have a special focus. Okay? You know, be going to, our focus is the physical evidence. Now, the sky is dark. The cup is very close to the end of the table. The taxi driver now is driving crazy. Will is more, it's not really physical. Will is just my feeling, my opinion. Okay? So that's Grammar 5.1, prediction. Now, there are 3 exercises for Grammar 5-1. Okay, the first one, we have to look at the sentence. Okay, don't answer the sentence. Don't fill in the blanks. Don't worry about that. We'll do that after. Look at the sentence. Look at the words and decide if this sentence is a prediction based on a present fact or physical evidence, or is this prediction based on a feeling? Okay, so just choose one of the 2 options. Again, don't write be going to or will. Don't write that. Now in the second exercise, okay, now we are going to write be going to or will. Now try not to look at exercise number 1. Don't look at your answers. Try not to. Try to think about the sentences again. Okay? And then rewrite the sentence with will if it's a prediction based on your feeling or your opinion, or be going to if there's a present fact or physical evidence. Okay? Finally, exercise number 3. I have given you the beginning of a sentence, okay? Please choose the best ending of the sentence. You have 2 choices, the will part or the be going to part. Now, please understand, in all of these exercises, like I told you in the video, sometimes both ways are possible, but they have a small different meaning, okay? So with all of these exercises, sometimes both are possible, okay? You have to decide which is better, okay? Good luck.